Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to hopefully be tinting the windows on the 240 here in my driveway. I'll explain what I did to make it a little bit easier. But in order to tint these quarter glasses, you have to remove this seatbelt cover that goes right here. I already took it off, it's down there. I just took this one off just because I wanted to see exactly how it was to take it off. I'll show you guys how to take that one off and I'll explain what I did to take it off. I guess you don't really need to take it off, but taking it off is a lot easier. You can see like the print. It like takes up this whole space, and in order to access back here, like get a card back there to get the tint nice and flat, you can see it right there. It makes it a lot harder. It's already going to be hard because it's so small right here and there's like not a lot of room. So I just decided to remove it. It took me like 5 minutes just because I didn't know what I was doing, but now that I know what I'm doing, it's probably like a minute to remove it. So I'd recommend moving it. And also put it down in the comments. Mine are up here. I'll show you guys right here. That's what it looks like for the rear seatbelts. Mine are up here. I think because this is a 93, so I think the 89 and the 90s have it down there only on lap belts. I'm not too sure, but put it down in the comments if you know for sure, just because I feel like that makes sense. But now we're gonna try and tint this. So right here I have all the tint for the car. I believe 5% for this window, the passenger window, so these two front windows, 5%, and on the back I did 2.5, which is extreme limo. And get this is pretty cool, the fact that they are actually pre-cut for your window. So you put in the year, make, and model of your car, and they already come pre-cut. I don't know exactly how well it's gonna fit, but where did we get it? Amazon? eBay? eBay. We got this off of eBay, and it was actually pretty cheap. It was like 30-40 bucks, which is what you would spend almost at like AutoZone buying, you know, their big sheets of tint. And in my opinion, this is a lot easier because it's already pre-cut, which is the hardest part in my opinion about tinting windows, because you got to get the perfect cut and everything. So if it's already pre-cut, just put it on there, tack it up, get all the air bubbles out, and you're set. At least that's how easy I think it'll be. All right, so in order to remove this seatbelt cover, there's two clips down here, and I know there's tools to remove those, but I'm using my mom's fork from her kitchen. I know this is pretty ghetto, but it fits perfect actually. You just want to pop those out, pry them out. It's two of them. And then you could scoot this down, and then there will be a 14mm bolt down here. Obviously you guys know how to remove that. You remove that, and then the whole bracket just falls off, and then you have access to everything back here behind the glass. I know it seems like there's a lot of room, but there really is not a lot of room. I think the hardest part is probably going to be back here. Alright guys, so here are the sheets all laid out. This is the rear piece. You can see right there. These are the two side windows. And those right there are the quarter glasses. Maybe with the lighting, yeah, you'll see it. Maybe see it. You can see the line right here. That's where it's already pre-cut. So you just got to do is pretty much like a sticker or decal. You just kind of pinch it and take it out, spray it, and then stick it on the window. That's really dark. So guys, excuse me for not showing you how to tint the windows on a 240, but one, I'm not a professional, and two, I already have a video on my channel, so I didn't want to make another video of tinting the windows. But I'll show you guys right now what it looks like. I'm currently inside with the windows already tinted. See, I'm gonna show you guys the inside view of what it looks like out. That's 2.5, 2.5. The other one's 2.5, the other quarter. That's 5, and that's 28. So I'll go outside and show you guys what it looks like. But it looks like from the outside, you can't see squat. I also, I did get the windshield tinted. I just told you guys I got 28 on there. 5, and then, yeah. The only thing I messed up was right here. I didn't shrink the back one, so I got all these fingers in there, but I already got the new one. It's literally sitting in my trunk, so I'm gonna probably do that either right now or sometime this weekend. And another thing I wanted to say is the windshield was $100 to tint, and everything else cost me $25. So if you wanna kind of make the math on everything I spent to get it this dark and how the tint is, I pretty much spent $125 to get it like this. If you didn't get your windshield tinted, it would cost you only $25 to do these 5 windows. I messed up on this back one. I had to order a new piece, which was $13. So if you guys want to make the math, there you go. There's going to be a lot of people saying, why did you tint your windshield? That's so stupid, blah, blah. But me, at night, personally, I hate driving because all the lights from the other cars just hurt my eyes. And this honestly just feels amazing because they don't blind me. And I just feel super relaxed and calm in my car. And that's the main reason why I tinted the windshield. And this is actually what it looks like in person. Like, the camera is not making it any darker. All I could see is the steering wheel, the 2 visors, and the mirror barely. So if you want to tint your windshield, it's going to be stupid dark and you're probably gonna get pulled over real quick. One more thing before I let you guys go. I am filming this on the iPhone, and I have, I believe, 2 more videos that I already have filmed on the iPhone that I'm gonna be posting. And after that, I'm probably gonna go back to the camera, because I've been noticing when I edit these videos, I always put my hand on the mic. Oh my God, there's so many gnats. I put my hand on the mic, and then it kind of just distorts the audio, and I'm sure you guys will probably tell in the videos. I love the camera quality of the iPhone. This is the iPhone, I believe, XR. I forgot, but the camera quality is great. The only thing I don't like is that I always put my hand on top of the mic when I'm recording, and I know with my camera I don't do that because it's out of the way. So that's why I'm going to switch back to the camera. So don't complain in the comments saying that the audio is bad and all this and that. That should change. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. There's a lot more videos to come on the 240. That looks so baller right there. Thumbnail. All right, guys. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and probably found it useful. I don't know, but I'll probably do some more shots of the car driving and all that, so you guys can see what the windshield tint is actually like. Would I recommend it? Probably not. But like I said, for me, I recommend it because how my eyes are, but I wouldn't recommend it at all.